Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics won't block the VPN. Check iOS for updates and confirm you have a working Wi-Fi or cellular link, since a flaky network causes most failures. Open Settings, then VPN, or launch the provider app and verify the profile and credentials are present. This ensures the client can authenticate. Once done, toggle airplane mode briefly and restart the phone, because a fresh network stack often clears transient issues before you dive into deeper fixes. Now you reconfigure and test. Remove the existing profile and add it again using the exact protocol your provider recommends. ICAV2, OpenVPN, or IPsec, because protocol mismatches cause negotiation failures. Next, set DNS to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1, or 8, 8, 8, 8, and if instructed, disable IP6 to avoid split tunneling conflicts. Then switch servers and protocols and test both over Wi-Fi and cellular to isolate whether the issue is network-specific or server-side. Finish with advanced fixes and a key troubleshooting tip. If reconfiguration fails, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. Remember this: delete saved Wi-Fi passwords. Verify your subscription and device limit with the provider and check their status page for outages. Reinstall the VPN app and update any installed certificates or profiles. If that still doesn't work, collect logs or screenshots and contact provider support. One tip: ask them to confirm your account isn't blocked and request a temporary test server to narrow down the fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.